Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Here you've got Austin Healey Roadster slash Cabriolet by Matchbox, and I'm pretty sure they did a Austin Healey before, but this one with this new card and this new paint is new for 2026. Not the actual casting, but the paint. And I think it's part of another set, but I couldn't find those. I could only find this one, and it looked good, so I grabbed it. Uh, let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's a quick look at the Austin Healey Roadster before we deep dive into casting. There's Austin Healey out of its box, and first thing you'll notice is this paint job. It looks really good actually. Red with the cream color looks nice, looks really classic. And I was expecting it to be right-hand drive, but it's actually a left-hand drive. So starting from the front, you've got some nice details. You've got that sliding grille, chrome bumper, and this looks like this one is prepared for racing. So you can see that cross or tape on the headlamp. Good detail to have. Bumpers finished in chrome. Also got running lamps, I would say. Austin badge, and this, I think that's an intake or maybe a vent to get more air in. A number 63 on the hood. Looks good, and the glass finish on it's a roadster. Again, looks nice. On the driver's side, multi-spoke black wheels, which look good. Looks part of the sporty design. It's showing. I think that's vents on the side, the black and silver. You can see. You got a checkered pattern at the bottom, number 63, and few sponsors. You can see the name. Also got a detailed door handle, which looks good. On the rear, again some nice details. Because it's red, can't really figure out if tail lamp is painted or not. But you can get the number 63 and some hinges, which are detailed. Chrome bumper, number plate holder, looks nice. Passenger side looks almost identical. No mirrors or windshield wipers on this casting. Interior is finished in brown, and it looks nice with this color actually. Chrome chrome floor on this one because it has a chrome base with some details, and it actually says that it's a 1:64. Look closely. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting, and I might have the actual the original Austin Healey Matchbox did. I will try to make a comparison video just to show you the differences. So, still looks really good. So if you wanna get one, go ahead, get this one. Well, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.